Right, as you can see guys by the title, what would you do? Now they have spent months getting this house complete. Really, everything's finished guys. Like, we've made sure that it doesn't need anything doing apart from the kitchen because they're having the kitchen fitted. So let me quickly get to it. What's happened is like the carpet fitters have come in. Like I'm going to ask guys, what would you do? Would you complain? Because like they've near enough marked every wall in every room because they've had like fully fitted carpets in all the bedrooms down the hallway. Now down the hallway is atrocious. I'm going to show you in a minute guys. It's pointless me going around and showing you every little scuff because we figured right from the off, like we kind of accepted it because like they're fitting carpet, you're going to expect like, the odd little knock here and there. But then it got to the point where it wasn't acceptable, and I'm going to show you now, guys, how bad it was. I'm just going to turn you around. I'm just going to show you like a little bit in this, which is it's minimal. Like we're not complaining about these things. Can you see? Little scuffs here and there. And we kind of accepted it, and we thought, you know what, we can go back and touch this up. The trouble is though, we've had about 4 or 5 tins. It's all the same colour, but it doesn't mean to say that them tins are the same colour. So if you come and touch this up, it's going to show. There's a good chance it's going to show. But this is what broke the air on the camel's back, was this passage wall, guys. It's like the Aurora. Hopefully you can see it, how bad it is. It's been absolutely scratched to death. Like where they brought the carpet up, guys, it's so bad all the way up. They've scuffed the other side of the carpet, like the wall, sorry. Now you can't see this as much, but it's definitely scuffed. And this is another reason why like he kind of said to himself, enough's enough, he's going to phone them up and complain. Because that is not acceptable. They've brought the carpet up and they've knocked the corner, and it's completely, it's going to have to be angle grinded out and fixed basically, but it's a right ball ache to fix that. And again guys, they've caught all the walls. Like these things don't matter. We could have touched them up, it wasn't a problem. But you know, they've just gone around and really not cared. They've damaged all the frames. Like I say, I'm not going to go around and show you every part of these walls because they've literally damaged every single wall. Hopefully you can see that. It's absolutely shocking. There's scratches everywhere on this wall. So this wall's got to be painted again, and to paint this wall we've got to get the scaffolding out again. Like I say, it's got marks all the way down this wall. I'm hoping that you can pick this up. But these, we've tried to like wash them off, but like they're proper marks. They've been proper embedded into the wall. So, and then we come into the downstairs, and like you probably can't see it, but there's marks in here as well, where they've carried through into the front room. There's marks, now you can't see this, but I can. There's marks on this wall as well. There's marks on this wall. There's basically marks everywhere. Marks everywhere. Right, so what would you do? Now he's had a word with the carpet fitter fella, and he couldn't have been more apologetic and nice about it, and they've come to an agreement. But he said to him, just get it fixed and tell me how much like I've got to pay. And my boy, once he put the phone down, he said, I don't know Dad, like probably like 50 quid. I said, 50 quid? You are having a laugh. So we've settled for £100, like he's going to ask for £100. But realistically, you should just say to him, no, get a decorator and really be funny about it. Because like I say, to get someone in to paint this whole back wall, because this is the worst culprit, like this wall. Like I say, it's a stairwell wall. So, you know, you need scaffolding to do this, guys, so it's not easy. What would you do? Let me know.